Hi crypto fans and family, this is a very quick video. I just want to ask you for a favor. We participate on this GRVT liquidity provider reward video contest and we are here on the 4 finalists. So now the top 3 are going to win here. We are trying to get into the first position. Like you can see here, we were the first finalist. So I am asking you for your vote here. This is a link for GRVT. I will put the first link of the description. It's going to be this post. And what we are asking you guys, if you are following the channel, if you are a supporter of what we do, is to go here and click on cryptocurrency states to vote for our video. At the time of recording, there are only 13 hours left to do the vote. So if you can help us, go into the first link of the description to this GRVT post and vote for our video. We are going to really appreciate your vote and your confidence that we are doing great work with our videos and an airdrop coverages. We joined to this contest like 1 or 2 weeks ago. We did a video about how you can participate on the liquidity provider points for the GRVT airdrop. And like you can see here, we were one of the top 4 finalists. And now we want to get the first prize here on this contest. So again, super quick video to ask you for your help to go to the first link of the description and vote for us. That will be all. Thank you for everything and all your support. And we are going to see you tomorrow with more crypto airdrop news.